Right, what we're doing today is we're giving it its final coat of gloss paint. It's been rubbed down, it's been undercoated, and now we're giving it its final gloss of 1/over paint. Hopefully, because we've put the undercoat on, we've got a flat surface, we should get away with just needing 1 coat of paint. And then obviously it's important to have gloss paint on the bottom, on the what we call the skirting, because when you're mopping, you're cleaning, this is the part that will get most dirt on it. And again, by glossing, it's very easy to wipe down, whereas when you use undercoat or emulsion, once you put marks on it, you've got to repaint again. So this is why we're glossing all the skirting area, so it makes it clean easier when we're cleaning later.
Evet arkadaşlar, dün astar boyamızı atmıştık gördüğünüz gibi. Bugün normal yağlı boyamızı vuruyoruz astar boyanın üzerine. Yağlı boya paspas falan çekerken istediğiniz renk yapabilirsiniz. Paspas çekerken olan lekeleri yağlı boyayla silebilirsiniz. Biz süpürgeliğimizi beyaz renge boyuyoruz. Siz istediğiniz renge boyayabilirsiniz. Önce alta bir kat astar fayansın üzerine. Daha sonra yağlı boya arkadaşlar. Gördüğünüz gibi. Teşekkürler, iyi günler.